Why can't inner ear hair cells regenerate after damage? Imagine losing your hearing and wondering if it can ever come back naturally. The truth is, in humans and other mammals, damaged inner ear hair cells do not regenerate on their own. This is a key reason why hearing loss from noise, aging, or injury is often permanent. To understand why, we need to look at the biology of the inner ear. The inner ear contains tiny sensory cells, called hair cells, that convert sound vibrations into electrical signals your brain interprets as sound. When these hair cells are damaged by loud noise or other factors, they do not grow back. Unlike skin or blood cells, mature hair cells in the human inner ear cannot divide or multiply once fully developed. This lack of regenerative ability is a fundamental biological difference between mammals and other animals like birds, fish, and reptiles. In these animals, supporting cells around the hair cells can either divide or transform directly into new hair cells, allowing for ongoing regeneration throughout their lives. But in mammals, this process was lost during evolution. Scientists believe this trade-off might have been linked to the development of more complex hearing abilities. In mammals, supporting cells in the inner ear become locked into a non-dividing state after development. They cannot re-enter the cell cycle or change into hair cells through a process called transdifferentiation. This lock appears to be permanent. Even in newborn mice, the window for hair cell regeneration is very brief, about a week after birth. After that, the supporting cells lose the ability to divide or transform. The molecular signals that would normally trigger regeneration, such as pathways involving Notch, Wnt, fibroblast growth factor, bone morphogenetic protein, and sonic hedgehog, are either inactive or actively suppressed in the adult inner ear. These signals are crucial during development but remain dormant in mature ears. This biological reality has serious implications for ear health. Since damaged hair cells cannot be replaced naturally, every exposure to loud noise, ototoxic medications, or age-related decline causes permanent damage. Noise-induced hearing loss happens when loud sounds damage these delicate cells beyond repair. Once damaged, the cells cannot regenerate, making noise protection essential. Using earplugs or earmuffs in loud environments, keeping volume levels safe, and avoiding prolonged exposure to loud sounds can help prevent irreversible damage. Age-related hearing loss is also due to the gradual death of hair cells over time. Because the body cannot replace these cells, hearing gradually declines as more cells are lost. This is why protecting your ears throughout life is so important. While the natural inability to regenerate hair cells is a major hurdle, recent research offers hope. Scientists are exploring ways to activate dormant molecular pathways to stimulate regeneration. In laboratory studies with mice, researchers have successfully triggered supporting cells to divide and develop into hair cells by manipulating specific signals. They have also found that changing gene expression through epigenetic modifications can promote regeneration. These promising findings suggest that future treatments might be able to restore hearing by regrowing hair cells. However, these are still experimental and not yet available for humans. For now, the best approach is prevention. Hearing aids and cochlear implants can help manage hearing loss caused by hair cell damage, but they do not restore natural hearing. Protecting your ears from loud noise, managing exposure to harmful substances, and seeking early help if you notice hearing changes are your best strategies. Understanding that hair cell damage is permanent highlights the importance of ear health and noise protection. Every loud sound or age-related change adds up over time, making prevention the most effective way to preserve hearing. Remember, always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and treatment options.